is it? Nice.
So yeah.
So we have.
He's making me think 10 moves ahead. And I can even too.
What are you talking about? He's winning. Checkmate two. It was reverse checkmate.
Hey, we can all share this.
So this is the matcha one.
Oh no, this is
You got a cold and you got a hot.
Yeah, we're going on.
Alright, do I just go straight into wasabi?
Oh wow, yeah.
Did anyone like it?
I did.
That's for us then.
Yeah, it's good.
What do I do
Are you gonna get a set for yourself?
What do I do? I don't even know.
I fixed it.
Explain. Did I wash it? So I didn't wash it.
Pour it back in.
Yeah.
First you swish the cup. Then you can have a try.
This is really good.
Ice cream. That's very matcha-y. He's too into his chess game.
This is good. Did you try it?
I think you need a bit more.
Thai tea and tom yum.
Oh, tom yum.
Maple pecan latte.
Banana coconut milk.
So this is roast beef.
Yep.
The yuzu actually tastes like yuzu.
Oh.
And now I'm trying the Red Bull. First I'm going to eat all the yuzu.
Awesome.
Not there anyone who likes it.
Tom yum's good. I like tom yum. Do you like it? What did you guys get?
Coconut milk and lychee.
Which one's better?
I haven't tried the light.
Coconut.
Do you want to try it?
Okay.
It tastes like beer.
Oh. Oh, it tastes like beer. Pineapple and banana coconut. So that's pineapple.
Have you tried the roast beer?
Yeah, you did. I don't like that one. Too strong? Yeah? That's pineapple. The pineapple one is
I tried this.
This is sweet.
Yeah, and that's banana coconut. Because I like that combo.
Me too.
Pineapple?
Try the
I like pineapple. And then banana coconut. Pineapple's good. I like pineapple a lot.
pineapple's good.
And then the bottom one is okay.
Red Bull.
It's better than tom yum.
Gives you wings.
Oh, that does taste like Red Bull. I like all the savory ice
It
cream.
was a.
Lena, show us your hands.
Ready for you. Chopsticks wash.
This is cool because there's only 2 dishes here. Are you guys happy to eat here though?
And this soup dry.
Oh,
Dry have soup.
Free dried and 2 soup.
Three dry.
You guys want to guys?
I don't know what meat's in it though.
oh,
Pork, shrimp, wonton, fish ball.
Everything.
Okay, everything.
oh, thank you.
เอาอะไรไหมครับเอาอะไรอีกไหม
Cheese.
Cheers.
Seafood,
Soup,
yeah.
soup, soup.
Got wonton, you got a fish cake. You got, oh, it's every meat. The chicken,
Chicken,
pork.
prawn.
Yeah. As well. Yep, that's it.
Oh, pork crackling is so good.
So good. So
Wow.
good. Look at that.
Danny put so much spice.
You know how it is.
I'm gonna die.
Better with the chili?
But I'm probably gonna feel it sweating after.
No, it's sweating already. Yeah.
Broth is very flavorful.
Yeah. What's in the wonton? I don't know. It's good. I
The
like
dry
it.
one's different.
Oh.
Yum.
It's good. We try a bit of everything.
Very good. So what's in the soup?
Soup, shrimp.
Yeah, shrimp.
No one, that makes a lot of sense. Man. Makes a lot of sense.
Cool. Wow. Wow.
Head.
No, very good.
Yeah, that makes a lot of
Yeah,
sense.
thank you. How did you guys like it?
I'm so sweaty.
Are you? Can't see it. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, Chef. Daniel, how did you like that meal?
That was great. The seafood soup was great. Whatever it was called.
Yeah, you gotta put
Photos. Rest
your body online.
Butterbur.
But a bit.
Laura, you're a wizard.
I know I am.
Mitchell's going.
Doesn't say 9 3/4.
No, but I was surprised because I was curious.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Try it again.
This piece of mango.
Yeah, it's good. It's cool.
Yeah, it's different.